Rainbo Initiative na non-governmental organization na Salone wey start operation inside 2003. Their work na for prevent and respond to sexual and gender-based violence through the Rainbo Center dem na different parts na the country, as dem can give support like medical treatment, psychosocial care, and self-economic empowerment to survivor them. This being term, European Union and UN be give €3,800,000 to Rainbo Initiative for the Spotlight Initiative project for help strengthen multi-sectorial service delivery for GBV survivor them na Salone, wey in the talk during the launching of the Spotlight Initiative projects. The executive director for Rainbo Initiative, 𝐑𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐛𝐨 and before start for give statistics but the amount of SGBV case them with a record last year, na then 7 Rainbo Center them na the country.
The statistic is summary. 62% of women and age 15 to 49 have experienced physical or sexual violence. In 2024 alone, over 3,000 cases of sexual violence were recorded across the 7 Rainbo centers. Survivors as young as 2 months and as old as 97 years old came to us seeking care, comfort, and a path to their healing.
𝐑𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐻N𝐨 same way so explain, but how this Spotlight Initiative go help for boost the fight against SGBV na the country.
With this program, we will support at Rainbo, we will support and reach over 35,000 survivors and their caregivers with direct services, including free treatments, psychosocial counseling, and legal support. We will also launch GBV mobile clinic across the country to reach to underserved communities and victims who have not been able to access our services in the mobile districts. We will also train 1,400 frontline staff, including health workers, counselors, nurses, and 248 FSU police officers to better respond with dignity and professionalism. We will work with and support 98 communities in 48 chiefdoms to deliver survival empowering programs using village savings and loan scheme. We are going to also construct and refurbish 3 safe homes, 1 in 𝐑𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐻N𝐨, 1 in Calabar, and 1 in Freetown Rural, that is Western Rural Districts.
Inside in talk, the UN Resident Coordinator, Madam Seraphine Wakana, talk about why UN and EU decide for award the Spotlight Initiative project to Rainbo Initiative.
And here in Sierra Leone, the numbers are deeply concerning. According to the last demographic and health survey, the DHS, an estimated 61% of girls and women aged between 15 and 49 have experienced physical violence by physical or sexual violence in their lifetime. And this prevalence cripples our nation's progress. When girls and women are trapped in unsafe and abusive environments, they cannot reach their full potential.
For know the role where governments don't play for protect women and girl picking rights in the country, the Chief Minister, Dr. David Senghor, began this for say.
Or rather, it is not political rhetoric when the Ministry of Gender and Children's Affairs pioneers a progressive Child Rights Act, which protects girls, which empowers and enables institutions like the National Commission for Children. It is critical to understand that when the government of Sierra Leone under the leadership of President Julius Maada Bio goes from a ban on rape to a gender equality and women's empowerment bill to an updated sexual what's the law called? The Sexual Offences Act. It is important that we understand that the component in this initiative focused on laws and policies is something that the government is working on. So I believe that we will deliver because we have delivered the radical inclusion policy. I believe that we will deliver because we have deployed toll-free lines that hundreds and thousands of girls are using annually. I believe that we will deliver because the Chief Justice has a special court for sexual offenses. I believe that we will deliver because the government of Sierra Leone, through the Ministry of Health, has reduced maternal mortality by 80% in the last 10 years. I believe that we will deliver because we have opened new facilities for training midwives in this country. So when 𝐑𝐴𝐺 and Rainbow tell me that they are going to train people in how to deliver services for survivors, of course I believe that together we will deliver.
Dr. David Senge end up say, government go continue for support the Spotlight Initiative projects for ensure say them succeed for protect women and girl pikin rights in the country. For Liberty Online TV, me na Mohamed Kamara, the reports.